Hello everyone, welcome to PDF Tools World. Today, I'll show you how you can easily convert your PDF files into editable Word documents in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to pdftoolsworld.com. Click on the first link. Here you'll find a variety of PDF tools, but for now, we'll select the PDF to Word converter. Click on the Select File button and upload the PDF file that you want to convert. You can either drag and drop your file or select it directly from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, simply click on the Convert to Word button. Our tool will quickly process your file and get it ready for download. After the conversion is complete, click Download to save your new Word document. Now you can edit your PDF just like any normal Word file. And that's it! Converting PDF to Word is this easy with pdftoolsworld.com. Don't forget to check out our other free tools like Merge PDF, Compress PDF, and more. Thanks for watching!